The 32.5 kilometers road has been under construction since 2009. Mazabuka District Commissioner Jane CHILWA, who toured the road under construction, is confident that the contractors will complete works before the onset of the next rainy season. In 2019, the Road Development Agency said works on the Kafue-Mazabuka Road Network project was projected to be completed by 2020. The main contractors of this road is China State.
China State are doing a total of 32.5 kilometers. That is from Chikankat Mission Road turn-off up to Mazabuka General Hospital. So we expect these works to be done before the end of this year. Because of the delay that came in because of the rain season, the contractor is working hard, even going beyond working hours to make sure that they catch up on the lost time.
Some construction workers found on the site thanked the government for the road project, which they say has created employment opportunities for local people in the district.
The Republican President, through Mr. Chagwalungu, our President, to give for a good communication, good relationship with the Chinese people, to give us this project. Because
President Edgar Lungu to be in a good relationship with the Chinese. He has done a good job.
Tonga skomo project yamna tupasa itse chemusha otherwise but people tivutika ko chemaninga nkanya transport. So nkanya transport kutoka from Mazabuka to here timavutika maningi because sibati pasa transport. So timapempa kupempa pempa chema load ma trucks tipempa pempa so chepa katakoya so benango mukupempa pempa so chabamene muja tamanga ngoma zichita benango bamene muja.
The road construction has been enhanced due to the potholes and ditches that it has developed over time, so as to reduce traffic congestion and the number of accidents. And some motorists talk to have praised the government for working on the road that has been in a deplorable state for a long time.
Tupakulumba kubambirwa road uzwa ku 10 paki kusiga 10 miles road inwawa twenda boto.
We really appreciate road mamene bayipangila from 10 paki up to tabala push until bakafike ku main hospital ku Mazabuka. Twachita appreciate
challenge jitu ajisima deza munsa ya road yali maningi. Now at least bakatubambira kuzwa 10 paki usigila somewhere hapa mawa.
Uti road ni yaliwunga yabambwo ya yogo yonse ya Zambia. Nokuba meni li kuno southern province. Inganda pakulumba yalimu akubona kuti chisi chilapona.
Then zopempa ungatupeva bwira monga papa nana. Monga pamene pa kwambira pali Mazabuka stories ba plan yeba ngatupula nine kozi kuli ma accidents maningi kuchoka hapa bofikira pa Shoprite already hapa manje tizina accident tinasoveriwa motoka hapa. Inafa motoka yatu na manje tukaribu chitwa compensate. So tezopempa ba plan yeba nga plan ngati mugero ba udieko wendeko pansi olo bapange load inango izambo pita ma trucks because mama luzinga ma brakes maningi ma trucks hapa. So nje vetezopempa but otherwise tuonga zikoma uti address road yone kanija tupita.
The Kafue-Mazabuka road is an important route as it conveys international traffic coming from Zimbabwe, Botswana, and Namibia. The road construction has been divided into two different routes, of which one is a truck route called P1, which runs from Kafue 10 Park to Chikankat. This is Angela NAMBEYE